Good morning, everyone. Myself, Goldie Yadav, as an associate professor working in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences in Rama University. And today I'm here to present my topic on evaluation of crude drugs in pharmacognosy. Today I'm here to present my topic on evaluation of crude drug. Evaluation of crude drug. Firstly, what do you mean by crude drug? Crude drug means a raw form of any substances which is obtained from the nature, that is either from animal source, plant source, marine source, microorganism source, mineral source, which is directly we get from our nature. That means हमारे आसपास जो भी present है nature form में, that is known as crude. And in the form of drug, that how we utilize them for the therapeutic purpose. In this we study about evaluation of crude drug. Now, what are crude drugs? As I have already mentioned, crude drugs are natural substances that is derived from plant, animal, minerals or microorganism used in dried form with minimal processing. उसमें processing बहुत ही हमें कम करनी पड़े. They form the which is obtained from the nature. ठीक है? Like in plant origin, we have cinnamon bark, nux vomica seeds, senna leaves. From animal origin, nature we obtain from beeswax, cod liver oil, which is obtained from the fish cod. Then mineral origin, talc, kaolin, sulfur, asbestos. Microbial origin, that is from antibiotic, which is obtained, like the first antibiotic which was discovered is penicillin, obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum, and from various antibiotic that we obtained from all the microorganisms. Now, as my topic, evaluation of crude drug. Why evaluation is necessary of the crude drug? Identity confirmation, quality assessment, purity check and fraud prevention. Means identity confirmation. Firstly, we have to check the crude drug that we are using for medicinal and therapeutic purpose. It should be original or not. As we have in nature, we have millions of plants found in nature. Which plant is useful for your therapeutic purpose? It is original, it is or substandard. It creates a wide confusion regarding in this. So for the identity and purity, to know the identity and purity of the crude drug, we should evaluate the crude drug. Then quality assessment, measure active constituent to ensure therapeutic efficacy. Means how much amount of the active constituents or the phytochemical constituents which are found in the crude drug are present. Then next is purity check. Purity check is done to detect the adulteration, and purity check is done to detect the adulteration and or any other misguiding drug which is to be mixed with the original drug. Like example, black pepper seeds are looking similar with the carica papaya seeds, and many of the adulteration in drug in this, like in ginger powder, starch powder is colored and mixed with it. So for detecting the adulteration, quality assessment parameter is checked. Then purity check. Then fraud prevention. Means it is already mentioned that fraud safeguard against substitution and deterioration during storage. Now, various types of evaluation are to be done, like in organoleptic evaluation, macroscopical evaluation, microscopic evaluation, then physical evaluation, then chemical evaluation. Various methods are there for the evaluation of crude drug. So in this, the first evaluation is organoleptic evaluation, which is the first step in the, or the primary step in the evaluation of crude drug. Means organoleptic means is the simplest and the most immediate method in which we are using our sense organs like color, odor, taste and texture. In color, we can understand the color of the drug by seeing like cinnamon bark, its color is brown, and yellowing indicates its deterioration, means its spoilage. Odor like asafoetida heme, which has a very pungent odor, we can smell and can understand the essence of that drug. Then taste, bitter taste of gentian root confirms in identity. Many drugs like alkaloidal drugs are bitter in taste, like Azadirachta indica, and they can be understood by its bitter taste. Then texture means by touching or by feeling we can identify the crude drug, which is come under the organoleptic evaluation. Then next is the microscopic evaluation. Under the evaluation of the drug, the next category is microscopic evaluation of drug. Microscopic evaluation of drug means examines the cellular architecture and tissues characteristic of crude drug. Means here we can understand the histological characters of the crude drug, which is organized drug. As crude drugs are also divided into the two categories, that is organized and unorganized. Organized drugs are those drugs which can be identified by morphological characters and microscopic characters like leaves of senna, roots of Rauwolfia, roots and then stem bark of cinnamon. Various organized plant which is obtained directly from the natural sources are come under organized category, and unorganized, which is the byproduct or indirectly obtained from the crude drug like honey, beeswax, these are asafoetida, these resins, latex, these are unorganized source of drug. So microscopic studies are done in organized drug category for identification of the histological cellular structure of the crude drug. In this we can have various structure, that in microscopy we can identify the types of stomata found in the lower epidermis of the leaves and the midrib, where we can identify the xylem, phloem, various cuticle layer, the arrangements of the cell, palisade cells, parenchymatous cells, types of trichome, either unicellulate or multicellular or glandular trichomes. So here we detect also, in this we can also detect about the adulteration, means the original characteristic of the drug is compared with the adulterated drug, means the similar characters are found in that or not. Then microchemical test is also done, that by using the various staining reagents like fluoroglycinol and hydrochloric acid in 1:1 ratio gives red color. If lignin in present, ruthenium red stains and give pink color, which means mucilage in present like in spagula seeds. And powder microscopy is also done for identify grounded or powdered drug, to identify various histological characters of the crude drug. Then physical evaluation. Physical evaluation is done by various parameters like ash value, extractive value, and with the help of various melting point and by using extractive value, ash value, moisture content. In ash value, we incinerate the drug in muffle furnace up to 600 to 1000 degrees Celsius, and the inorganic content like silicates, salts of calcium, carbonates, remaining residues, and then moisture content to understand the acceptable limit like in a starch, which promotes excess of moisture during storage may promotes microbial growth and reduces the shelf life of the crude drug. Then extractive values, the drug is extracted in various solvents like alcohol hai, water hai, ether, and soluble extractive values to know the concern amount of percentage of concentration of the extract in the crude drug. Then next is chemical evaluation of crude drug. Chemical evaluation on crude drug is to detect the identity and quantity of bioactive compounds which are present in the crude drug, like in volatile oil 16% of eugenol is found, which is responsible for the analgesic and in dental pain activity. Then in various type of concentration of chemical constituents which are found in the crude drug is identified in the chemical evaluation of the crude drug. In the first preliminary step is the phytochemical screening of the crude drug. In this, the drug is extracted in various multiple extraction by using various non-polar to polar solvents like hexane, chloroform, ether soluble, and then acetone, then alcohol, then polar water. Because in our crude drug, multiple and various type of phytochemical constituents are found which can be separated by using various type of solvents. Means some has polarity in polar solvents, some are some non-polar type of chemical constituent has the solubility property in the non-polar solvent. By using the same drug and is to be extracted multiple times in the non-polar to polar solvents, we get the various extracts of the chemical constituents. With the help of this, by various methods like TLC, thin layer chromatographic methods, by HPTLC, high performance thin layer chromatographic methods, by using UV spectrophoto methods, we can use qualitatively and quantitatively the amount of crude drug phytochemical constituent in the crude drug. Now in biological evaluation of the drug, various bioassay methods are done by using various pharmacological effect using antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant activity in the living system. This can be done by this method is evaluated to identify the potency of the drug by using various doses forms, and also safety assessment method to detect toxic contaminants, heavy metals, pesticide residue that pose health risk. Conclusion: evaluation of crude drug is done to evaluate the identity and purity of the crude drug. Means identity means the originality of the crude drug. Purity means the it should not be substandard. It should be standard, pure and authentic drug that to be sold to the market or for any formulation which is used for human use. The main aim of the evaluation is that the therapeutic or the dosage forms which are prepared from these crude drugs should go to the patient and it should get the proper therapeutic effect. Then consumer protection, safeguard patients from substandard or fraudulent medicinal product. Scientific credibility means as we know that we are using the crude drugs since 5,000 years. Means crude drugs is the use of the herbal medicine is already mentioned in our Ayurveda. So from traditional medicine to we are tending towards the modern science. So by the evaluation method, we get proper monographs of the crude drug and we can use more traditional medicine by this method. Continuous improvement means advanced techniques such as DNA barcoding and the metabolomics raise standard further. Thank you.